Hello everybody. In this session we are talking about joint products. Joint products are multiple products generated by a simple production process at the same time. These products incur undifferentiated joint costs until a split of point, after which each product incurs separate processing. Prior to the split of point, costs can only be allocated to the joint products, and a product is only considered a joint product when each of the items being produced has roughly equal economic importance. If they have very different market values, then the more valuable one is classified as the main product, while the other is classified as a byproduct. So, if there is no market value associated with a secondary product, then it is treated as correct. And then we move to features of a joint product. The first feature, the output of the same raw materials. The most crucial part is that they come from the same raw material in the same manufacturing process. And then the second, quality may be challenging to maintain. Sometimes it is difficult for manufacturers to keep these products' quality, as the management has no control over their production. And then the third, the main manufacturing aim. These products have good value in the market. Thus, often manufacturers mainly aim at producing them. And then fourth, all of them have almost equal sale value. These products have very high and practically identical market values. As a result, they have to increase the company's profit margin. And then fifth, further processing is not mandatory. Further processing may not always be required. However, this enhances the value in the market. And sixth, proportion is natural and cannot be changed. They are produced in a natural proportion which the management cannot alter. And then we move to key differences between joint product and byproduct. The first, joint product refers to two or more products whose raw material requirement is common, as well as they go through the same manufacturing process up to a certain point of production, after which they are either sold or processed further. On the contrary, byproduct alludes to products of low usable value which are produced concurrently with the product having high usable value. And then second, in the case of joint products, subsequent processing is often required to enhance the quality or turn them into finished products in which additional money is expensed. As against this, most of the time, byproducts are sold in the original form but can be further processed if it can generate high value. And then the third, joint products have common sellable values, and that is why none of them can be considered as the major product, and conversely, byproducts sellable value is comparatively lower than the main product. And then fourth, joint products are produced from the raw materials, unlike byproducts that is produced out of discard material from the main process. And then fifth, the production of the joint product is performed intentionally by the management of the respective organization, whereas there is no intention to manufacture the byproduct, and so they are produced incidentally. And then, how are costs allocated to joint products? The study of joint product costing method is critical to understand the closing inventory value, the product price, and the profit or loss on the sale. Some standard methods are: the first, physical units method. Cost is allocation based on factors like number and weight. And then the second, net realizable value at split of pie. Here, some values like estimated profit margin, sales and distribution costs, etc., are deducted from the sale value of this product. And then the third, technical estimate. Some technical projections are used to allocate the cost to the products, and if the values obtained from the above methods are unreliable. And then we move to accounting for joint product. The first, physical unit method. All of the output will measure by their physical weight or volume, such as tons, kilograms, liter, etc. The cost of raw material will be proportional to all products based on each physical output. It sounds reasonable and easy to understand. The way of calculation is also simple. We can measure it one time and use it forever unless there is something change within the production process. However, it will be hard for some products in which the output cannot be measured easily. Some process uses the same raw material but produce the output of a liquid and solid item. It will be not practical to use this method. And then the second, standard cost method. It will calculate the product's costing based on the standard costing system. We need to have a preset standard cost for each product type, and then the cost will absorb based on that rate. And then the third, market value method. This method will compare all product selling prices as a percentage of total sales. The cost will be proportioned by that percentage. We assume that the product will higher value and should consume at a higher cost. It still faces some problem when the selling price of product fluctuable based on various reasons. So we will need to update it so often, which is time consuming. There will be a question of whether and we calculate the cost first or we calculate the selling price first. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.